Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search message in Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Discord application and I'm going to open one of the room chat in this Discord. I'm just going to open this room chat, and if we want to search for a message, we can go to the search menu. You can tap on the account's name and then you can click on the search menu. Okay, and you can type in the keyword you want to search, and I'm just going to type in this keyword. Okay, and these are the messages with the keyword, and I'm going to click on this message. All right, and if we want to jump to the message, we just need to click on this jump to message. All right, and this is the message I have just found. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can search for message in Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.